Elas pelas deu bem perto de grudar minha camisa. Cada coisa fica quente, ai a mula luminosa. Que ora sempre se arrebente, a lembota dessa blusa.
Hello and a very good day to each and everyone watching this Friday webinar once again. Today we have yet another Goan band that has rocked Goan weddings and set the stage on fire. A band that can surely outstand any other, especially with his live performances on the dance floor, coming right next to the couple with the flute and the guitar. So today we have the band Estonia, and we have with us Sebi and Clifton joining as their team members. Welcome, Clifton and Sebi.
Hi, Jim. Hi.
Clifton and Sebi, if you could give us some insights about Estonia, when did the band start, and introduce your team members?
We started this band back in 2014, and I started my career back in 1999. I guess that was my first band actually, and since then I always dreamed of, I was dreaming of having a band which can really, blow the senses of the people, and they have that thing. They love the music and they love the band. So this journey started back in 2014, and currently our team comprises of Mr. Sebi Matthias on drums. He's from Sarawling. We have Bryson Gois. He's a bass player in our band, as well as he plays the saxophone. We have Selvin who plays the keyboard and violin, and we have Infant Norona on lead vocals, the frontman, and we have Rizan, the female vocals, the lead vocals. Yeah, and that's me, Clifton, here on lead guitar and vocals.
Okay, Clifton, thanks for the information and sharing about your team members. But I think everybody wants to know what's behind the name Estonia, because every time we see the band Estonia, it's something different name apart from music. So what's the story behind the name Estonia?
A lot of clients, our fans have been asking us long back, what does this name really mean? Actually, this is a country in Europe. Okay, Estonia, by the capital Tallinn. So I've been working there long back, 10 years back. So I really love this country and the ambience, the people there. So I just thought I'll have that country's name as a band name.
To everyone watching out this webinar, now we know the story behind Estonia. Estonia band gets its name from the small beautiful country in the Eastern Europe called Estonia, where Clifton was working, and that's how he got back Estonia to Goa right now, and that's what the band name is. Thank you, Clifton, for the lovely sharing about Estonia. Give us some insights about story of the band, when it just began, how it was, and how did you form your team to where you all have reached today?
I was in the market as well as Sebi. We had a band back in the 90s, so we have performed together in our youth days. And from that, we had lots of band, we went abroad, we performed different artists. We had some good people where we shared our experience, and we have performed along with some different artists as well. And then finally we came across, myself, I thought that I will form a band wherein I want this band to be very popular, not only with the cover music, but with some original tracks and original songs by the band. And I really worked hard for it actually from the beginning. So in 2014, when we formed the band, it was very difficult for us actually. People need to see you, they have to see your performance, and they have to believe in you. They have to check, people used to say, whenever you're performing, I've never heard the name, so can I see you all performing somewhere so we can come and have a look at your band? So we always to tell them, okay, we are performing at this place. And from in the beginning, it's very difficult to convince someone that you are performing, you will perform the wedding or you'll rock the wedding. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we had a tagline that Born to Rock. Okay, so we always made sure that the tagline was highlighted, and many of our MCs who have been working with us. So they have always been kind to us. I am always thankful to them also for always highlighting the band in such a way, like whenever we perform, and it really gave us the energy to perform for any event, even it is a small pub event, from pub events to any corporate event to any conference or one weddings. Yeah, so definitely that helped us. And the clients, I was in the market. People knew me that I was a performer since I had a original band also, Eternity Project, and we have released around 7 original songs right now on all major platforms, like iTunes, Spotify. So we have original music. We're back now, and we are coming with another new song also now within few days. So that was our main aim, to create some originality among the one who's like one band creating original music. And I don't know, but still from 2014 we slowly we kept up with the band. There was a lot of support. We had some good musicians, first top musicians playing with me. Like there are a few, I can tell, like Revlon on the keyboards, like Revlino was there, Cyrus is in UK right now. So these people have really helped us a lot to grow up with their intensive showmanship, and that by what you have said first, like as what you like about Estonia is that energy. So we have maintained that energy from the beginning of when we formed the band. So that is how it helped us to gain the market. Now today when people call us, people just ask us, are you all free on this day, particular day? So it's not about can we see your performance, because they know. And today's day people see and believe. It's not about a word of mouth or something like what is to happen before years back. So that is what we have proved our audience, that we are the best and we are giving the best.
I remember that couple, they asked us whether we are free on certain day, and they are like, they gave us few dates, like 3-4 dates, and they were asking whether we are free on those dates. We were like surprised to hear that. It was like a good moment for us.
Sabit, if you could share a few stories or experiences about Estonia, ओहे थोडे घडण्यो घडल्या ज्यो तुमी उगडास करता सदांच वाजयता आसतना.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm very happy with the members. They are really good, very understanding. And I joined Estonia last season, and I really had a good time with them.
Willem, I like to share one thing back in 2014 where we performed. I guess it was the first wedding. Okay, it was the first wedding, and we had a board Estonia. Okay, so I just remember it. After the wedding, we were so excited with the people's appreciation and everything. We forgot the board and we went home and we are sleeping. So next day when we had a wedding, we remembered that still the band board is lying in the hall. And there are lots of memories also we have created actually. We basically think that why Estonia is not performing abroad or overseas right now, because the thing is that from the starting of the season, every single day the people want us here in Goa to perform for them. Yeah, so we are not getting a single day. Even some gigs come abroad. Like we got this thing, call for gigs abroad, like Dubai, like Kuwait. But we were busy those days. Like even for New Year night, we are always in Goa or sometime. This year we played for Indian Navy for New Year. So there are lots of gigs we have performed back to back in this 6 years. I can say a lot of gigs. Cannot mention. In one season we play almost 120 to 130 weddings only. Wow. Apart from pubs scene and everything. We have been performing in Showbar and all back 2 years back. So we entered a pub scene, and then the people never allowed us. There was so much of love from the people that they wanted us for their wedding. Like even some of them, they have changed their dates because of non-availability. That was the thing.
That's pretty good actually to hear. I have experienced Estonia as well to one of my cousin's wedding, and the best part about Estonia, Clifton, I should mention this, is a live performance you guys get on the floor, especially with the flute or the guitar, and that is what sets you all apart, I feel, from the rest of the band. Clifton, you have to share anything about this? I mean, how did it all begin? You saw it somewhere, or this was something that came from within? That you need to be a part of the couple, the first dance or something.
No, actually, I was a performer. Like I was performing sometimes with DND, the band. They used to always take me whenever they perform, Denzel and Friska. So Denzel is always the person who used to inspire me. Clifton, go do the showmanship. You don't really stand on the stage. Stand with your mic and just stuck there. Okay, people want to see your energy there, and they have to enjoy what you're performing. So since that day, he was always behind me, like Clifton, do this, do that, do. So I was the person. If you can see a video on YouTube, maybe 3-4 years back, I used to go down with the cordless headset and like serenade for the bridal couple, Then slowly I got the idea of why I'll not start with the flute, because that instrument I always liked and loved. My friend Marvin, the guy from A26, is my best friend. So I just told Marvin, I just somehow want to learn this. Okay, so Marvin helped me a lot in teaching the instrument, and I really did it. That needs a lot of confidence, actually, man. And we really inspired youth. I mean, the bands which were coming up to certain things. But I was the one who really wanted to, go that extra mile. Until today, we are going the original set. We are still keeping that thing alive.
Sebi, if you could throw up some light on some of the medleys that you play, which are very different from the rest of the band, especially London Thumakta and everything that jumps up. And especially, I think it is Selvin who takes the mic and dances on the stage as well. So Sebi, if you could throw some light on that.
Yeah, the best part about Estonia is, I would say, we just don't stop our pop set. Once we start, we carry on till the last. It's like one after the other. We just don't take a break in between. It's like a medley. It's like a whole medley. But we don't take a break in between, and that's the best part of this band. And our members are really good at that, especially Selvin and Clifton. They just start the song on the next beat. It's not an easy task to do, actually. It's really difficult to do that, like getting the next song in your mind, then thinking about the tempo and getting the rhythm. It's very difficult, I would say, but they really do it well. So it's like a medley.
Sebi, just a question to all the audience out here. See, we are not directly from the music industry. When the medley starts, do you all have a series of playlists, or you all jump on depending upon the crowd that is playing?
We have a song list, I would say, but sometimes we change. We check the flow, like how they dance, whether this song is really gonna go well at that moment. If not, it comes to know, like it's easy for us, like we've been into this industry for so long, we've been doing weddings, so it's easy for us to decide on at that moment. And we change certain times. So yeah, that's how it works.
The next question comes, which is a very important right now, is especially many of the married couples, couples that are getting married or planning to get married, want to know how is Estonia gearing up for the post-COVID wedding. So what is Estonia doing to gear up for the post-COVID weddings?
Okay, actually the practices are going on. From the point of the band practice to the individual practices. And we are coming up with some music, original music. We're coming with some covers on all social platforms, so people see a different side of us, because we had a long halt for all these weddings, pubs and gigs and everything. But the YouTube and everything, they will never stop, I know, so far as we can say social media. So we can always share our live performances there. So we were working on the project, when we are still working on that to deliver something different, so that our audience will love. The couples who are getting married now, they will really, I guess they are looking forward. The couples who have got married also, they are always asking us when you are getting, when your new song is releasing. So that is what we are doing now in this pandemic. So they will get the product before next month. We are trying to collaborate with different artists. and I mean, like we will give the best.
What's your thought on a platform like Weddings de Goa?
When Weddings de Goa, one of the guy approached me, and when I saw your platform, it was really a professional one. The way you all handle the platform, the way you all promote the artists, the way you all have different contacts for all the Goan weddings, necessary contacts you all have, and it has helped us in this year when we have our own website, and it has helped us a lot to grow up in our business. So I'll prefer all the bands to be a part of Weddings de Goa, so they also will be highlighted in future. It's a very good platform and very good initiative, William. I appreciate your work. Yeah, it's not an easy task for you also to maintain so many vendors under one, but you are doing a good job, and we are really thankful for promoting all our Goan artists, especially the new bands and all. We have seen all these things, so keep it up from your side also. Thank you.
Definitely. Weddings de Goa is there to help each and every Goan wedding vendor, and our aim is to get our Goan businesses to the world. That's what we focus on. Sebi, your thoughts on a platform like Weddings de Goa?
I'm really thankful to you actually for giving us this opportunity. We never thought about this thing, like something we could do about this thing, and you all did a really good job, I would say, like getting all the bands under one roof and like promoting them. It's a good thing. It's a good initiative, really.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you guys for the most humble feedbacks. This is what keeps us going as well, and we hope that we will reach out to every Goan vendor to get them on board and to showcase them to the world as well. Clifton, your final comments and thoughts to all your fans and friends spread all across the world from the band Estonia.
I would like to thank each and everyone first of all. Without your support and love, we would have been not here today where we are standing on this stage. Okay, so if we don't have audience, if we don't have fans, we would have never achieved this extra mile what we have achieved today. Even our Facebook page has got lots of reviews and lots of likes, around 3,000 plus fans following us, and still more to go, because we want to give our best so that the audience will love us from the cover music, from weddings, from any show, whatever it is, from our original songs, and creating our own identity in Goan market as well as around the globe. And I'm really thankful to you also, William, for having this wonderful session with us. This is something different. We have taken a lot of initiative, and also all my friends, family, especially the band members, are very grateful to all our fans and friends. Yeah, not forgetting my band members like Lisen. She's a fantastic singer. Bryson is the excellent person when it comes to music. Selvin, always get going person. He has lot of listening abilities and always get to go in front. My favorite always with the par excellence voice. And Sabi, my favorite drummer boy, I can say. I have performed a lot of drummer because I'm going, like we are always going hand in hand. That is what is very important for the band. Yeah, he's the backbone of the band. So really appreciate him. And thank you all the lovely people around the world, no matter which part you all are from. And this is a message for you all. Stay home, stay safe. We will be back soon, and we will see you someday, somewhere. That is what I say, okay? Very soon. But on the stage, either you all can watch us on social platforms like YouTube, and you can hear our original music on all the platforms around the globe. And stay tuned and do subscribe our channel VDX, and like our page Estonia Band on this.
Yeah, perfect.
Get more updates.
Perfect, Clifton. Sebi, your last message to all the fans and friends all across the world.
Yeah, I would like to thank all our fans, our followers for all the love and support what they have given us all these years. Though I joined Estonia last year, but it was a good experience. The amount of love what they have given is like tremendous. I would like to thank all our fans and followers for this. And thanks to you for taking up this session.
Thank you, Clifton. Thank you, Sebi, and the band Estonia, to all the members as well. We are sure that Born to Rock is the title tagline for Estonia. So to all the couples wanting to get married post-COVID, here's a band that goes live with their music, especially Clifton coming down stage, performing to you all, especially on your first wedding song. So if you all are planning of a musician who can come down the stage, perform with his flute or guitar, Clifton is the guy. So band Estonia, Born to Rock is here with us. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us in this Friday webinar by Weddings de Goa. We hope that post-COVID, Estonia is going to rock the Goan weddings. Thank you, guys, for joining in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Vamos pa' la playa, pa' currete alma, será la pantalla, laureta arriba, toda la caribe, vento de cintura, tú te coquetea, yo de busca huya, me gusta.